ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅವರು ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪರಿಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಎಂಬ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು. ವಿಶ್ವದ ಅಗ್ರ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರೇರಿತವಾದ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಉಡುಪುಗಳ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆದ ಪರಿಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಖ್ಯಾತ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟಿಗ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಭಾನುವಾರದಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳ ಸಂವಾದವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಪರಿಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಬಾಸಿಡರ್ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರೋದು. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೆಲವೇ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. RCB ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮವರೇ. ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಫೀಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ದಟ್? Inspired by champions.
Champions are not made today. They face many challenges. They work hard to elevate, evolve, and inspire the champions among us. They turn every setback into a comeback. So stand tall, rise above, and dare to be a champion with Batman Sports.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, can we have a big shout out to Parimat Sports, please? All right. That was something, is it? So DK, how was your experience when you were shooting the commercial?
It was a lot of fun. It happened in a studio where we had to do a lot of diving and running and all of that. So it was a good day. Arshdeep and Shivam will be a good friend. So ending up spending time with them and two young boys and going through the whole idea of what we wanted to do, the concept. It was an interesting day and I'm happy it really came out well.
That's amazing. Speaking of behind the scenes, okay, we all enjoy behind the scenes. So, how was your experience shooting with Parimat Sports? And another thing is you had two fellow team members, How was the experience shooting with your fellow brand ambassadors, Shivam and Ashleep?
Yeah, it was a day where, I hadn't met them for a while and ended up meeting them and when we ended up shooting it. It was, as I said, a lot of fun. We ended up also using a lot of the clothes that we had designed, that I had designed, so a lot of the boys used it. So it was fun to just see them go through the whole process. And it's always fun to shoot with other cricketers because acting doesn't come to us very naturally. So you end up trying a lot of things and you look goofy at times. So it's always a very interesting, intriguing process for cricketers to shoot.
That's amazing. I'm sure that you all have great fun during the practice and off the field too.
Absolutely. I think as a team we get along really well. We have a lot of fun times on and off the field. The good thing about RCB is because we are placed in Bangalore, I think we have the courage and freedom to also move around a lot. People tend to generally be very loving and affectionate with us. So it's always a good team to be a part of. He was trying to make a lifestyle brand. I don't know if people are able to hear me. Yes, trying to make it a lifestyle brand, one that people can use daily and also while playing sport or going to the gym or training, running, any of that sort. The fact that it can be versatile is what attracted me towards this clothing line. And the designs are the designs have been thought about in such a way that you can use one where you're going out casually. At the same time, you can use it for all the aspects of rigorous training that you want to do, and that is what really attracted me towards it. I chose cricket as a sport because my father loved it. I played it the first time and I quite enjoyed it. So it was something that came very naturally and I enjoyed playing the sport. Cricket is a great sport, it's a great leveler as they say. So I'm very, very happy to have played the sport. Welcome, Ramya.
So there we have.
Skip in terms of fitness is doing the right amount of power training at this point of time, I think, in cricket. It's very important to inculcate power training, and most important also comes the diet that goes along with it. It becomes a very, very important factor and aspect of you trying to reach peak performance.
That's true, that you know what goes in. So Diana and Sheila, please join us on stage. The one who asked this question was this man, a true RCB fan. Lovely crowd of sound up. TK collecting the merchandise, what he has worn, a brand made. So fans, she's representing you, Bengaluru, you all can show some love. And we are all ready to practice more and to be there.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.